friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Amatya, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on second project of ESP32 Basic Starter Kit. Are you excited? So let's start. In this project we need ESP32 development board, potentiometer, breadboard, jumper wires, LED, and resistor. I have connected potentiometer with ESP32, potentiometer left pin with GND, potentiometer center pin with GPIO 4, potentiometer right pin with 3 volt. We should not use 5 volt. Then I have connected LED with ESP32, positive pin with GPIO 5, negative pin with GND. Now I am in Arduino IDE. I have already done coding. I will give the code in description. Now let's see the code. I chose potentiometer in digital pin 4, LED pin in digital pin 5 with resistor. In line number 12, initialized value of potentiometer will be 4095 and LED brightness will be 0. When knob of potentiometer rotates from left to right, value of potentiometer will be decreased from 4095 and LED brightness value will be increased from 0 to maximum value 255. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now I will upload the code. Now the code is successfully uploaded. Now I will go to serial monitor. Now you can see the potential value is 4095 and LED brightness is 0. Now you can see when I rotate the knob left to right, the potential value will be decrease and LED brightness will increase. And when I rotate the knob maximum state, the potential value will be 0 and LED brightness will be 255. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.